Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And if it's the first time, welcome. Please consider like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified for any further video. In our previous video, we selected a few best-selling niches, and from this list, we choose the gaming niche, and then from the three questions that we have to ask ourselves: who is this designed for, why are they going to wear it, and how are they going to find it? We find a few answers for the first one, okay? But I wanted to go deeper for you so that you can have much more keywords to enter in your listing. And to do that, when you are on Amazon, always on incognito mode, once you have the Productor Chrome extension installed, in this example here, I type in gamer t-shirt, you will have a few keywords here. You have this green bar, and at the bottom, you're going to see more keywords. Okay. When you click on this more keyword, Productor, what it's doing basically is to grab other keyword from the listing that appear on this page. You have the focus keyword. These are one unique word, as you can see. We have long tail keyword, suggested Amazon keyword, a few more suggested, and here on the right here, some Google keywords. What you have to do basically is to look at each of them, okay? Especially for the suggested Amazon and the Google keyword. And you have to dig and add in your listing keywords that are related. This is very important, that are related to your listing. For example, video downloader, I won't use it because it's not part of my listing. Video editor, no. Video editing software, no. Video camera, no, and so on. So you cannot choose something which is not related to your design. But if I go a bit down, game to play, it's something that we can add, for example, while we are writing our sentence for our listing, okay? And you have to do this exercise on your own. I won't do it in this video because it's going to take too much time and I don't want to lose your time, okay? So on your own, when you are digging on your niche, if you decide even to do some design, to create some design for this gaming niche, you can go on your own and select the one that are really related, okay? Even if it contains t-shirt and so on, you can go in there and use them. So now to continue, we have two other questions, as you know. Second one is, why are they going to wear it? Okay. No. So I went again in advance and I found a few answers. Okay. Remember that our quote here for this example is, I love video games and maybe 3 people. I checked if it was trademark. No, it's not trademarked at the time I'm doing this video, but do your own diligence, okay, on your own. Disclaimer, you have to do your own diligence and check all the information I give you, okay? What I'm telling you is what is working for me. That's why I'm telling you, because I want to help you. Okay, let's continue. So why are they going to wear it? They're gonna wear our design because they like humor, jokes, video game quotes, and gaming memes, okay? They're gonna wear our design again because certainly they love video games already written there. They prefer time and they prefer to spend their time playing video games rather than participating in sport or other activities, okay? They like thinking about gaming all the time. These are the kind of answer you have to put in here. So according to your niche, you have to find the proper answer. These are a few answers that I found for the gaming niche, and I am gonna write a few sentences in my listing that contain all this information, okay? And you have to do it on your own for the other niches. Now, the last question, how are they going to find our design? In order to answer to this question, we have to remember that we are talking to people, okay? People are going to buy on Amazon because they want to offer, in our example, a t-shirt or mugs or any other kind of print-on-demand product, okay? So they're gonna type something, type what they are looking for on Amazon. They're gonna go another example, for example, here, they're gonna type gamer t-shirt, okay? Or they're gonna type gaming t-shirt, okay? For men, for t-shirt for men, for teen, for boys, for women, etc. These are the kind of query that they're gonna type to find the t-shirt that they are looking for themselves, their friends, children, etc. And again, using the Chrome extension, Productor, you can find this long tail keyword here that they're gonna type. For example, gamer t-shirt for men, gamer t-shirt for boys, etc. 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 What I do, I'm gonna open an Excel and I'm gonna copy all these keywords in an Excel sheet, and I'm gonna show you what I do with them. Okay, and I'm gonna name this column keywords. Okay, on top of this list, which is already long, I like to go to the keyword tool I already discussed. I already showed you keyword tool eliminator. Okay, they have a free version for all their tool, but it's limited to 2 search or 3 search per day. Okay, I'm using the Amazon keyword tool as well as the Google keyword tool. As I said, they have a free version, but it's a paid tool, and they have bunch of for all the platform, I would say, and it's only $49.99, one-time payment only. Okay, so if you want to look at it, it's an affiliate link. I earn a small commission, but with no extra cost to you. Okay, this is the one I use, that's why I show it to you. You have no obligation. You can find the link below if you are interested. So in this website, I'm gonna type in gamer stars t-shirt. Okay, it's a tip here that they give. Basically, this software will go to Amazon and find again keywords. Okay, you're gonna search for gamer shirt on Amazon. It will pop up hopefully a few more keywords. Okay, more than the one that Productor was able to do. And again, I will do the same thing, gamer shirt, with the Google keyword tool, and same thing. After gamer, I will change gamer by gaming shirt. Okay, it was able to grab the keyword. Now I'm gonna select all of them. Okay, I go down here, I click download selected keywords. Okay, and I'm gonna save them. So I have the new keyword, I'm gonna copy them. Okay, we can see that we have a lot of keyword here. I'll go to my previous sheet and I'll add them here at the bottom. Now I have a bunch of keywords. What I want to do right now is to remove the duplicates from this file. Excel is doing it. I click on data and we have a tool here to remove the duplicates. So I click on it, select the column, and you remove 15 duplicates. Now what I'm gonna do is to look for items that are not related to my shirt and remove them. Okay, and I'll do that and I come back to you. So once you have your list of keywords, what you want to make sure is, first of all, that they are not copyrighted. Okay, that you are okay to use them, and then you're gonna go to Amazon and check each one of them and find out the competition for each one of them. For example, you type on Amazon gamer t-shirt for men. You come here to Amazon. Okay, and you type it, enter. here they say 10,000. So you're gonna write here, sorry, the other one, I'm gonna write here 10,000. Okay, this is a manual job that you have to do, but this is important when you want to use free without paying anything. This is what you have to do. You have to do it manually. We take again a gamer t-shirt for boy. Okay, we go to Amazon, we type here Ctrl V. How many items? Same 10,000. Certainly a bit more if we go down, but you have to do this exercise. Okay, so I won't lose your time. Doing this exercise, you're gonna find keywords, the ideal keyword for you in this list. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove this fortnight. The ideal competition here, you're gonna be for keyword with less than 500. Okay, the competition must be less than 500. Okay, and once you find this keyword, you can use it in your title, your brand, your description, and you can check my other video to see how I'm using those keywords with less competition. So for the third one, gamer t-shirt, teenage boy, as you can see, 951. This is good. So don't be discouraged. You can find a keyword with huge competition, but this is an exercise that you have to do. And the thing is that once you have it for this niche, if I do this exercise for this niche, I have this keyword and I can use them like for a lot of t-shirts. Don't do this exercise and create only one t-shirt in the niche. Okay, once you have your keyword with your less competition, you have to create at the max you can. Okay, this is of course not for the ones that are in lower tiers. Okay, but for person that are, I would say, above 500, you have to create at least 10, 50, the max you can. It's exactly what you have to do. There is no shortcut, unfortunately, when you want to do the free version. That's why I'm showing it to you. If you want to see the paid version, please let me know in the comment. I want to see the paid version, and I'll do a video on how to use the paid version. It's important that you do this exercise to check each keyword on Amazon to see the competition, because at the end you may discover that this niche is too competitive. I don't want to get in there. You did so. Basically, you did this research. You populate all the number of search here, and if you find keyword with less than 500, then you go into and you can do your designing. And if no keyword is under 500, then it's preferable to leave it and go to another niche. So I'll continue on my side and I'll let you know my findings. Sometimes when we are on very competitive niche, when you go to the search, what you can do is to look only for merch t-shirt, merch by Amazon t-shirt. Okay, so in this case, if you have the Chrome extension Productor, what you do, you select the keyword, you right click, you go to Productor, merch by Amazon, you search US, and then you select the first one. What you will find, it's only merch by Amazon t-shirt. In this case, you can see that the gamer t-shirt size 7 to 8, 207, but yes, you have to remove this one. Don't use size, so I'm going to take another one. Let's say this one, for example, if I take the gaming t-shirt for boys 14 to 16, what I did here, you paste again, how to do it, right click, Productor, search, and you find, I see that 101, okay? So you take the gamer t-shirt for kids, you right click, you select, you right click, merch by Amazon, research, and search, and then I see here for this one only 638, merch by Amazon t-shirt. because if I do it directly without entering, without looking only for Mesh by Amazon t-shirt, and I click on the search, I want to find 10,000 results. But from these 10,000, the Mesh by Amazon, the t-shirt created and sold by Mesh by Amazon, its competition is only 638. So I was able to enter all the competition for the keyword that we found together, and I sorted them from the smallest to the largest. So I told you that everything that is below 500 is gonna be a good keyword to target, and that's what we're gonna do in the next video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have other subjects that you want me to cover, please comment them as well. Bye.